converge.
The journey continues, turning raw strength into airframe sections. The heart of assembly awaits the modules. Every piece is guided into the workspace of transformation. Boundaries open to accommodate scale and precision.
The journey of raw materials reaches its first assembly stage.
Every span measured and careful placed.
Order and sequence prevent error.
Safety and precision govern every lift.
Foundation for the airframe is established. Aerodynamic surfaces meet their match. Lightweight strength waits for final shaping.
Verification precedes every movement.
Human judgment confirms readiness.
The path toward transformation continues.
The raw materials are now poised to become components of flight. Purity is essential before precision begins.
Moisture is removed to protect the metal integrity.
Delicate layers are handled with utmost care.
Plummet. Even microscopic flaws are not tolerated.
Composite layers must be flawless before assembly.
Measurements ensure future cuts are precise.
Organization prepares them for the next stage of transformation.
Protection is applied even before shaping begins. Every layer is aligned for strength and precision.
Edges are refined for precision assembly.
Heat locks the structure in place.
Every surface is verified for quality.
Prepared modules are now ready to become airframe sections. Precision begins with the first cut. Form emerges from raw strength.
Every dimension is verified before proceeding.
Edges and contours define aerodynamic efficiency. Precision shaping locks the fibers into position.
Every contour is formed for aerodynamic perfection.
Strength is enhanced under extreme conditions.
Heat transforms material properties with precision.
Controlled cooling preserves structural integrity.
Even after transformation, accuracy remains paramount.
Internal structures gain shape and strength.
Integration begins with precise cutouts.
A flawless surface ensures long-term performance.
Formed panels await their place in the airframe. All pieces are prepared for integration.
Ore processing completes its role, paving the way for assembly. The skeleton of the jet takes its place in the assembly hall.
Every half is aligned with precision. Symmetry and strength define every joint. Form and function are locked together.
The aircraft's lift surfaces await their structure.
Every surface meets its aerodynamic purpose. Internal strength prepares the wing for flight. Critical junctions are assembled with exacting force.
Lightweight coverings form the aerodynamic surface.
The brain of the jet is carefully integrated. The airframe exterior begins to emerge.
Every centimeter counts for aerodynamics.
Control surfaces prepare for integration.
Stability is engineered into every joint. Balance and control are now part of the structure.
Every connection is verified before the next stage.
The structure is freed to advance to system installation.
From separate pieces, the aircraft now takes recognizable form. The nervous system of the aircraft prepares for integration.
Precision electronics meet their mechanical home. Every wire follows a path of meticulous design. Fluid power ensures precise control of every surface. The heart of propulsion awaits its chamber. Power meets structure in careful orchestration. Every connection ensures reliable thrust and control.
Support and mobility are built into the frame.
Control surfaces respond with precision to pilot input.
The aircraft's brain awakens with every signal.
The interface between human and machine is finalized. Temperature regulation preserves performance.
The mind of the jet becomes operational.
Energy is carefully channeled for power and safety.
Preparation ensures controlled ignition.
Power is awakened, ready to propel the jet. Sensors and systems respond in harmony.
Automation ensures flawless integration of complex systems.
With systems in place, the aircraft now nears its final form. Every surface is positioned to exacting standards.
Lasers detect even the smallest deviations.
Smooth surfaces reduce drag and enhance performance.
Every joint holds with measured precision. Flight surfaces respond perfectly to commands. Propulsion components respond with reliability. Static checks confirm readiness for dynamic operation.
Every detail is refined, every system verified, the jet nears operational readiness.
Ground support structures endure maximum loads. Electrical systems are validated under extreme conditions. Detection systems operate with pinpoint accuracy.
Composite integrity withstands rigorous scrutiny.
Every system reports flawlessly for record.
Flight characteristics validated before takeoff.
Ergonomics and safety are uncompromising.
The jet meets every regulatory and performance standard.
Quality assured, the aircraft is ready for delivery and operation. Before leaving, every detail is verified one last time.
Protection ensures the aircraft remains flawless during transit.
Heavy machinery aligns for secure handling.
The jet is carefully freed from its assembly bay.
Every movement is controlled and precise.
The aircraft is guided to its temporary home.
Aircraft await final transport with care and order.
Systems are locked, ready for the journey ahead.
Every aircraft is accompanied by certified records.
The journey from factory to flight line begins.
Precision handling ensures safe relocation. Safety measures protect the aircraft during transit. From the factory floor, the aircraft moves toward operational destiny. Every journey is meticulously planned and executed.
The aircraft arrives, ready to meet its pilots.
And this is how modern factories produce F-22 Raptors from start to finish.
Every component, every system, perfectly integrated.
A masterpiece of engineering, now ready for the skies.
Every check complete, every system green.